And good morning guys, good morning, good evening, and good afternoon sa inyo lahat. So this is the first episode ng offline serye ng Snap Gaming Tambayan na may uploaded to sa YouTube channel natin sa FB. So this is Ram guys, good morning sa inyo. This morning dito ngayon. So lagi itong magkakaroon every, I think, nasa may schedule ko. Wednesday and Thursday ang uploads. So, siguro dalawa lang kada isang linggo. So, for now, isa lang muna gagawin natin kasi natambakan pa rin tayo ng trabaho. So, wala na patumpik-tumpik yan. Pasok na tayo sa loob. New game tayo. Not enough room. At least, okay, sige. Ryu? Ayoko nga na yung Ryu pangalan yan. Okay. Tara lang ko pwede ka mag-save dito ng ayoko Ryu pangalan nito. Lagi na lang Ryu pangalan ng protagonist natin eh. Ibahin naman natin. Which is Ken. At dahil kalokohan na to. So, yun nga. Tignan natin ngayon. Saan tayo mapapadpad? Technically guys, hindi ko pa natapos to. Nalaro ko siya siguro mga 3 to 4 hours lang. Diyan ko lang siya natapos. Nalaro, then wala na, hindi na ako na. So, ito yung story. It all started the third day after we left the castle. That morning, we had entered the Great Desert and Great Desert, okay? We're heading towards the town of Sinesta, last known location of my sister Elma. Sinesta lies on the edge of the desert. All we had to do was cross the desert. So, bale, dalawang, nito, YouTube content to actually, lagay natin ito. So, uy, look, Ray, a shooting star. What shooting star? Bakit kamukha siya yung nasa trino? Si Nina masyadong, ngayon dito, medyo may pagka-perky siya ngayon dito. So, what we pray? Don't worry, Nina, we'll find her. I swear it. Yan. Take it like a man, my friends. May sasakyan na kayo. Para sa no? Sa PS1 era. Ganda nito ng graphics na ito eh. Tuntua ako dito dati eh. Chapter 1, Awakening. So, sino mabubuhay dito? Pinangalanan natin na ibang pangalan si Ryu eh, no? Ginawa natin Ken. Hey, it's hot out. Siyempre, nasa desert ka eh. Niloloko mo ko nini eh. Oh, don't you pray. I'm alright. Diba? Just think it's probably better mode around during the day. Let's find some shade and wait till the sun goes down. Really, I am alright, Ray. Besides, I want my sister find my sister as soon as possible. Siyempre, kahit sino naman eh. Ang yun natin na yung kilikili ko, talagang maitim yan. I have a bad black odor, black underteeth nandito, so wag niyo tingnan yung kilikili ko. I won't hurt to rest for a while. Tama naman, not too much, but the change will get there today or tomorrow. So I think we're going to land. What the? Bakit? Sino nakita nila? Uy! Ano yun? Dragon? Ha? I heard there was a dragon on the desert, but was hoping would be lucky enough to find it. Dragon ba yun? Parang suso yun eh. Parang sandworm siya oh. Dragon pala yan. What the heck? Hold on to something! Oh, wala mo. Deja vu! Ang times they provide on my feet. Deja vu na lang. Insert deja vu here. Man, if it doesn't mean attack us, we can let it hit us. Ay, kung ba naman tamaan yan eh. Dive! Dive! Son, dive! Blast it! Ayun na nga, nasa harapan na. Dive! What the heck, man? Pwede ba gumawa tayo ng another memory card? Yan na natin. Alam ko pwede mag-memory to eh. Memory card to eh. It's no use, the sun's gotten into everything. Eh, syempre, ikaw ba naman nabundol ng isang malaking flying susu eh? Hindi pala kuho eh, ano? Uod pala. Hindi naman dragon yun eh, parang uod yun eh. I can't fix this without any spare parts. Do you think that the dragon attacks him on purpose? Hard to say. We haven't seen it since then either. Well, whether it did or not, we should be thankful that we crashed near the edge of the desert, not in the middle. O nga naman. Pwede, luto sila eh. Here, we're walking distance from the towns along the desert border. Do you think we can find parts that we need from one of them? Probably, but there is one small problem. If we leave our sunflower here, we might risk getting stolen by bandits. Not much a point going to town and coming back with the spare parts if there's no sunflower to use them all. Tama. Ano naman? Point taken naman. Alright then, Cray, I go. But Nina, I can't live my whole life with John looking out for me. Parang chaperon lang si Cray dito, no? For starters, what would my sister think? Nga naman, ano iisipin niya, no? Alright. You win, Nina. Let's see. If I remember right, there's a town called Sarai at the south of here. So sa Sarai tayo. You might able to find some parts there. Good luck, Nina. I'm counting on you. Don't you worry. I'll be back before you know it. Duda ako dyan. Here, take this. It's your king's sword. I hope you won't need it to use it. But better than said than served, right? So, we got the safe hand on the king's sword. Nagagamitin ni you, aka Ken. If you know what I mean. But safe trip, Nina. You watch yourself here. So, pwede pala natin makita to. Nga pala, may iba-ibang abilities nga pala sila rito, no? Labas nga tayo. Tapos save muna tayo. Tignan natin kung makapag-save tayo. Puno yung memory card ko eh. Yup, pwede tayo mag-save. Nice! Memo to tayo sa memo to. So, nakapag-save na tayo. Wait, Ano meron doon? Somebody help me! Somebody help me! May peko-peko! Grabe, may peko-peko rito, oh. Ngayon ko lang naisip, peko-peko pala yun. Minsan iniisip ko, chocobo. Looks like the hole's the size of a hole. Hole talo. Hole! That merchant has a goods must have fallen in. Pati siya nahulog. Eh, may pakpak naman si Nina eh. Just like this. May dragon do. May nakikita ako. Sino to? Invincible dragon? There. There's something there. Oh my God. May dragon. Anong gagawin natin dito? It's not attacking. Hindi mo pwede atakayin si Nina, syempre. It's not a monster, I guess. Tingin mo naman dyan. Naglabas sa bakpak, oh. Parang si Astral to, ah. Tanda ko to si Astral to. And may hubad na Rio. Hubad na Ken pala. That was funny. For some reason, I wasn't scared at all. Si Ken hubad. A person. At naka-bold. Oh, yeah! Nina. Hindi kayo ma-demonetize sa ginagawa ko to. Oh my God, Nina. Hindi ka na virgin. You won't mind, don't you think? Could you put some clothes? I'm sure you can find some in the carriage. So you mean you're not working with that merchant who was here? Dun, 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 dun. Ganda talaga ng team nito eh, no? Ng soundtrack nila rito, no? How did you get inside the crater then? Did you fall in? How did you shut a great big hole get in here in the first place anyway? Did you see that monster that was here before? Don't you know that looked like a dragon or something? Eh, siya yun eh. Niloloko mo ako Nini. Oh, I'm sorry. You probably don't know the answer to those questions any more than I do, don't you? My name is Nina. I'm from India. What is your name? Ken. Super awkward eh, no? Let's see if we can find someone out here. Da-da-da. Dun, 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 dun. So, Ken, where you heading to? Ay, na pangalan niya. Ken. You don't know, then that means you're lost. Nope. Yes, it does. Admit it, you're lost. Then, there's nothing to be ashamed of. I got lost when I was younger. Grabe naman yan, no? Alright then, Ken. Why don't you come with me for the nearest town? Siguro pa-level muna tayo ng konti dito. Eh, may sword na tayo. You can use this sword. You might need it to get into town. We have to go through the populated by monsters. Ayan, yan sinasabi ko. Let's get going. Then, shall we? Bugbugan na! Okay, save tayo rito. So, ito na yung magiging offline content natin. So, inaayos ko pa lang to. So, expect medyo maraming bago rito. So, try natin muna. cliff. Okay, save muna tara. Bugbugin na natin to. So, nasa cliff side tayo. Makapag-level tayo ng konti dito. Let's see. We have to go down to these cliffs to get onto Sarai. Let's hurry and try to beat before get over them before it gets dark. Okay. Uy, sakto. May kalaban na kagad. Grabe, ang ganda eh, oh. Distracted. Ganda ng team mo. Distracted. Ay, pa ibigay yung kailangan ko eh. Wala pa rin binibigay. Ay niya ibigay ah. Alam ko may burn tong goo eh. Bye. Ayaw. Sige. Patayin! Tadadam. Tadadadadadadadam. Patay! Ay, bigay yung... Teka. Ayusin nga natin to. Wait lang. Nahihirapan ako sa settings eh. Dapat ang buttons, vibration. Ang kamay ko nasa ano pa eh. Nasa ibang laro pa yung kamay ko eh. Oh. Yung kamay ko nasa ibang laro pa eh. Wait lang ha. Oy, level up ako. At least may pera tayo. Oy, may item doon, no? Anong gusto mong balikan yun? Ano natin makukuha yun? Ano natin makukuha yun? Dito. Pwede natin puntahan dito. Wala palang daan doon. Pwede pala tayo. So, meron dito ano. So, patay na natin lahat yan. Tipid lang tayo sa P80. Ha! Level 1 lang kasi si ano eh. Loko. Level 1 pa lang si Kim eh. Ayun, we got berries. okay na ako sa kahit saan, kahit wala pang berries dyan. So, hindi tayo makaalis doon. So, hindi dito daan. Tara. Di balik tayo. Yeah, backup ba items natin dito. May orum naman tayo. Tara, atakin na natin yan. Alam ko na ba yung distraction eh. Learnable yan eh. Oh. Looks like we have to run over the road. Tatalo na naman. But don't you worry. We should able to jump over this. You have to do the chance and stand. A place where it is narrow enough to jump. And press X to do. Okay. Copy. Using directional bar. Okay. So tatalo lang tayo eh. Yeah. See, easy sin. One more to go. Babalikan pa natin yung treasure dun eh. Good thing you were able to jump very really high up. Oh! Don't you just love the feeling you get looking down from a high place like this? Actually, hindi. Ayoko No, Nina! Ha! Grabe, ninja moves. Aray. Ninja moves ka pa, ha? Di nyo na because I thought I need help. Madaya to si Nina, scammer din to eh, no? You're not hurt, aren't you? I'm sorry, I did tell you about my wings. Kala ko pala, may lang yan eh. That you can survive them for like that. But it was very brave of you to do that, Ken. Very brave and heroic. Thank you very much. Oh, ikaw ba naman nakakita ng lalaking nakahubad eh, no? Looks like the sun's going down. Probably the safer if we wait until it's sunlight to land on the cliff. Let's look for a place where we can sleep. Okay. So, pwede dito. Oh, hoy! Cave! Looks like we could camp here. Now we need a set of fire. And that's how we end up here. Grabe ha, walang gapangan ha. Where are you heading, Ken? Oops, I forgot. You're lost, aren't you? Pa ako? Tomorrow, once we get to town, I'm sure we're able to find someone who knows you. Smoke. And there's a full moon, my friends. There's a full moon. Grabe, may chuchu doggy. At eto na ang idol ko, si Folu. Ang ganda ng team niya eh, no? Depende sa sa region. Gising na rin si Folu eh. Naghahanap pa sila pareho dito eh. So, the time has come. Yes, my lord, majesty. Don't appear something in a mist. Where are the courtiers, the priest? Why there's not a single voice raised in greeting by their return? That is not import. There are mortals. We were to attempt to understand their mind. We should spend the eternity. There be more pressing matters to attend to. Canst thou cannot not sense it, this presence, this far and still slumbering? But this what we have saw low this many years, many ages. Nabubulol ako. Won't you guard our place of rest as you wish? Mamisi, whither art thou going? We shall go to our capital as we planned. We shall meet at the appointed place when the time will come. Idol talaga siya din na si Paulo eh. Oh. So may two sides of story. Anong level ni Paulo? 64? What the heck? Kaya may kukunin lang tayo. Baka... Dito tayo. Kaya natin may makukuha tayo rito. Wala makuha. Matapang tong dinosaur na to eh. Alam niyo ba, allergic ako sa dinosaur. Die, dinosaur, die! Kapal ng mukha nito. Ang ability mo, Paulo? Wala. Ha! Loko. Cold pa nun lang eh, no? Cold walk lang eh. Oh, vitamin A. Nice. We need vitamins. So, kids, don't forget your vitamins. Wisdom fruit. Tapa ng Sorion na to. Bugbugin yan. Ha! Ha! Kapal lang mukha nitong hayop na natain ako. Lokong dinosaur to, loko. Kapal lang mukha mong dinosaur ka, ha? Tapa ng apog. Nangat-ngatin si Paulo. Who goes there? What do you do in this place? Huh? Who are you? They say a dragon or something supposed appear tonight. So we're told to watch this area. A dragon. That's right. And not just any dragon either. They say it was a legendary dragon of doom. Legendary dragon of doom. Nabubulol ako ah. Which will bring a ruin to the empire. And what be the design of this dragon? We will destroy it, of course. Nothing we can stand on the might of the imperial army. Thou believest thou can do such a thing? Thou art me the mere mortals. Ano yan? Si Tiamat ba to? Oo nga, no? Para si Tiamat to eh. thou dost not ken the power of that which you would destroy. This being a dragon. A dragon discourse of nature unto itself. Thou mayest as well seek to fight a volcano or a very earth itself. Granos that give birth to thy kind. God the life and very taken it away. They are to thee as thou art to an insect. In thy terms, die. They are gods. Would thou fight a god? Kaya niya ba si Polo? Patay. At back from reality. Brrr! Nilabag si Ryu no? Patay. Tapang na dalawa yun. This is I thought. It is not the nature of mortals to change their ways. Parang meron yata doon. Teka, balikan muna natin to. Wait lang ha, tila natin lang to. Tila natin. Makulo ko itong Saurian na to eh. Kapal ng mukha eh. Oh. Saurus lang naman siya eh. Kaya ba tayo nito? Ha! Loko. Da-da-da-da-dan. Coldster din. Tapos na-walk out lang eh, no? Very badass mo indeed. I think wala. Ay, meron ba? Tingnan natin. Walang treasure. Kala kami treasure eh. Kala ko may makikita tayong treasure doon. Dan. Eh, talaga di ako nakaget over doon sa Lucky di Folong yun eh, no? Ang ganda eh. Okay, let's proceed. So, save muna tayo dito. Okay lang naman kahit mapatungan to, I think. Tara, diretso tayo. Let's proceed to other story. Saan tayo? Soros na naman! Saan ako sa dinosaur? Loko. Thank you, Polo. Buti may nakaka-random din na paghihirap ko sa mga dinosaurs, no? May item ba dito? Nothing. Grabe, oh. Ay, tayo tigila. Ha! Ha! Nice one. Aray! Nitata tayo. Kapal ng mukha nito, ah. Ha! So, wala. I think, walang items. No items! Soros naman. Wala bang iba? Bigyan niyo mga ako ng iba. Wala man ang challenge ng Soros na itong pinibigay nito mong game na to. Naran. Oh, loko. Kapal ang mukha eh, no? So, dito tayo. Takbo na tayo dito. Oh. Parang kilala ko to. Pardon my presumptions. Traitor tong lokong to eh. But I believe you are the God Emperor Follow. Yes. I have been expecting you. Even since I saw the flame rising from the woods where I have placed my soldiers on watch. Those sayers don't were not waiting for us, though knowers of us and what we are then. Yes, Your Majesty, you are the first Emperor of Folu, who founded the Great Fo Empire. And knowing this, don't wound soon. Greet us in a mother's and Tina's heart, and time blade within hand. I'm afraid times have changed, Your Majesty. Rider to matandang to eh. Ayan na, ito yung favorite team ko. Meditate, Astral. Use meditate command to transform the dragon. The Fighting War God. Alam ko may malalearn ka dito eh. May cam. Bing. Aray! Ha! Loko! Loko! Alam ko meron to eh. Tara, mag-guard tayo ng isa. Ay, hindi niya binigay. Bugbugin na nga natin to. Pro... Abe. One swing. Ha! 1, 2. Isa lang. Ang hina ng wild swing. Dan. First try. Ha! Boom. Isa pa. Aray! Takihin natin normal. Ha! Loko. Loko. Pag 100 na lang siguro yung yan less than 100 na lang. Hindi. Less than 200 yung EP natin. Saka tayo gumamit ng ng eraser. Loko. Patay na pala. Wala. Kikin. Ambrosia. Si Kam ang kulit eh, no? First boss natin yan. You appear tired, Majesty. It is to be expected, I suppose. You just woken from a long sleep. And you're not exactly complete, are you? God appeared thou doesn't mean not to fulfill thy duty as thou art called upon to you to do by your promise. Alas, it is your say, my Lord. For now we would have you sleep once more. I won't call thee foolish, but thou art mortal, thou cannot go against thy nature. More than a fish could make it walk upon the firmament. Still thou wilt find that our promises are not easily broken. Return to the time, master, and tell your words. Trying to buy time, your majesty. Set fire to the trees. We must stop him before he recovers his full strength. Talagang ka-desperate sila patayin si Polo no? They won't use fire against us. Indeed, done well they have they. Tara, apura tayo rito. No, it block! Di, sa iba tayo dumaan. Sarado rin dito. Sarado rin to. Tingnan natin dito baka may ano. So wala ang daan dito. Bridge. Pretty kami, no? As I recall, your magic has a strong affinity to water, yes? And with your powers not fully returned, it's unlikely that you will be able to survive the battle with my creations in this raging fire. You mustn't know thy name, O cunning one. Yom, General of Polo Empire Army at your service. I don't want to take any chances. Find the body. Talaga sinigurado niya si no? Si Polo, no? And it's morning. Well, we managed to make it up, didn't we? It's just a little way more tour to the town, okay? So, hanap tayo ng ano. Tanong tayo dito. Walang daan. Itong area. Wala pa ng daan doon. Tara. So malamang may meditate na rin si Rio dito. So nasa Saray na tayo. Save muna tayo rito. Kaya nga natin to. Ano yung question mark? Pag ganito may items to, diba? Alam kayo pulang gunit to yung may ability burn eh. Loko. Ayun, sabi na meron dito eh. Room. Parang nga tayong pulang gu. Walang pulang gu. Mamatay kayo. Perish goose. Loko. Dan-da-da-dan. Tara-tara-ra-ra-dan-dan. Kaya natin iba. Baka makapagpaano pa tayo dito eh. Makapagpapera pa tayo para makabili ng gear. Wala tayong pera eh. Fishing spot oh. Makapag-fishing tayo dito. Makapag-fishing ba tayo dito nang wala tayong gamit? Rest muna tayo. Dan. Siyempre, save tayo. Tapos tinan na rin natin yung fishing spot. Tinan na rin natin ito. Press X the button in a spot where fishing mark is light up and begin fishing. The big ones can be found near the bases of the waterfall. Wala na tayo equipment for fishing kasi. Mamimili pa tayo sa saray nito. At least unlock na natin yung fishing spot. Kaya natin ito nasa gitna. May item itong mga ganito, diba? Ulanggu. Uy. Blind. Hindi na learn. Kunin natin. Blind. Ay, bigay kay Rio ang potya. Isa pa. Blind. Tumakas ang gago. Daya tinakasan tayo. Kukunin ko lang yung blind eh. Ayan, yung red go. Burn. Ayaw maibigay yung burn. Bigay mo na burn. Yan, nakuha ni Nina. Nice. Patay na natin lahat yan. Ganda talaga na TV, no? Bakit kayo discontinue ng ng Capcom? Isa sa tinuturing na Final Fantasy killer to eh. Killing Herb. May Scorpion, kailangan ko makakuha yung blind nun. Yan, bigay mo blind. Bigay mo blind, tropa. Ay, bigay yung blind. Blind. Yun. Dun, da, 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 dun. Charge. Ha. Loko. Atake ka pa ah. Kapalang pes nun ah. Kung meron siyang pes. I think pwede na tayo pumasok sa saray. Supplies lang tayo. Mali yata ako ng ano ko. Mali yung desisyon ko. So, select tayo. Camp. Rest. Yan natin. Save tayo dito, dito. Another one. Kaya nga natin. Dan 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 dan. Distracted. Kaya nga natin. Bigay mo. Ako hindi na. Ang tanong, para saan yung distracted? Ang nun niyo? Try nga natin. Ha? Tinamaan. Kukumbo pa naman sana tayo. Hindi, tapusin na yan. Mag-uubos lang tayo ng oras dito eh. Kapit na pala si Nina eh. At least dire-diretso tayo rito. Hindi pa nag-level up si Nino. Yun. Baby Frog. Bait yata yun eh. Ay, gulang naman to eh. So, isa ka lang gu. Ha! Yay! Pa-level na rin natin si Rian sa si Ken. Kill. Loko. 5 na lang, pinitin pa tayo. Oh, come on, Mang. Mo ako bitinin. Loko. Aray. Masakit ha. Oh, loko. Nagalit tuloy si Ryu. Si Ken pala, sorry, si Ken. Anyway, tapos na tayo dito. We're going to Sarai. I think camp muna tayo. Tapos saka tayo pumasok. Doon tayo mag-camping sa labas. Wala nasa labas no? Doon nag-camping, no? Kapalang mukha rin, no? 5 and 6. Okay. Hindi na tayo nakakalay sa level. And pasok tayo sa right. Dun, 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 dun. Well, Ken, this is Sarai. Does anything look familiar? Does it bring any memories back? Nope. No? Well, I don't know what to say, but I need to buy some things and get back to where my friend is, you know? Will you able right to go by yourself? Well then, I guess that you means you go to our separate ways from here then. Goodbye, Ken. I hope you get to get your memory back. I hope you get your memory back soon. Saan tayo pupunta? Hail travelers, I bet you got a lot of questions, don't you? Well then, you come in the right place because I got the answers. What do you want to know? Never mind. Mas ka ng Beanie Veteran Benok. Throwing your boys. Benkolism. Habang you sing around before you're passing through, I'd keep an eye on first if I were you. There are a lot of folks that will swindle you. Because you be careful, okay? So, maraming swindler dito sa lugar na to eh. Nope. Actually, pwede natin anuhin to eh. Pwede natin guyuin itong mga to eh. Sunflower parts. I don't know nothing about that. In case you did notice, there's a tavern not a store. Tignan natin. Gana pa tayo ng sunflower parts dito eh. Isa lang reklamo ko sa lugar na to, ang pangit ng camera angle, oh. Sige nga, bye tayo. Yan ba, suot natin. Yun na yan. Itong ano, so saan tayo dito? Ito ay in. Never mind. Ano na natin kanina eh. So, in yun. So, hanapin natin ngayon. Uy, may tao dito. What the heck? Who are you? If you're looking for something, you should try the top burn. Sunflower Press, don't you have any dose? Kailangan natin. At least may wooden rod dito. Baby frog. Hindi mo naman tayo mangingisda eh. So, you came over the cliffs in the desert. How do you manage without falling off the cliffs? We have wings, my friend. We have wings. So, sa tavern tayo. Kailan natin mapupunta ito dito eh. Ano kasi, this is your first time in Saray? What do you want to talk about me? Okay. Well, if you want something or someone, you gotta have the right attitude, don't you? What do you mean? Yes? Make the bar patron happy by giving him food and drink. Giving him food increases a happy parameter. Giving the okay? Be careful not to food and drink gauge him up before his happy gauge. His happy gauge won't go up on the mass and give him the same thing. Bari, oh, okay. Ay nga, ubusin nito pera ko eh. Sausage. Wine. Steak. Beer. Sausage. Steak. Wine. Sausage ulit. And then, steak. Chicken. That was good. Alright then. Alright, now tell you what to know. If you're going to look something, talk to the information broker at the front of the inn. Okay. He can tell you to find what you're looking for. I'm impressed you don't need any young folks and generous as you. Nangya ka. Antidote lang binigay mo. Ninakawang pa ang pera. Hayop na to. So, punta natin yung information broker sa may inn. Yung nakita natin kanina. Which is sa labas lang nito. Ito yung inn eh. Asan yung in? Nakita ko na kanina yung in eh. Ayun, ito. Yung broker. I'm an information broker. What do you want to know about? Who is Ken? Who is Ken? That's easy. I don't know. How to best things, no? Kala ko ba, alam lahat yung information broker about the sunflower parts. Well, I haven't got any of those, but I do know how to get some interested. Yes. Now we're talking business. You want information, I got you to pay for it. If you want to good offer doesn't match, how much the information worth? The deal solved. Got it? Okay, basahin natin. Just the brokers in pricing by entering the amount. If the amount is equal to or greater than the price, the broker will give you the information. You have 4 chances to watch the broker's reaction. Get close and as to know the closer offer it is. Nope. So, kailangan natin malaman. So, gawin natin 50 muna. Simulan natin sa 50. So, another 50. Another 50. Okay. Ayan. Mga ninakawan ako ng pera nito mga te. If you're looking for the sunflower parts, you have to go to the black market. There's a man sells a person behind the tavern. You have to find the password to be able to meet him. But the most traveling merchants will tell you if you ask them. Just so one lives. So imagine he's probably still close by. Try to look on the highway outside of the town. So, punta tayo sa highway. So, let's go. Hanapin natin yung loko. Baka nandito. Isa lang tayo eh. Wala si Nini eh. Iwan hit naman sa atin tumago. Sana nandito pa yung merchant. Wala rito. Tingnan natin dito. Ito, yung merchant. What do you want? What? Black market in Sarai? So you want to know the password to get in, huh? Well, I suppose I can tell you, but I got my own business to take care of, you know? Normally, I charge people 1,000 yen for that. But I take you for free. I mean, you did come all the way here or after me at all. Buti naman, alam mo. Buti naman, alam na natin password. Yan sinasabi ko. Kaya nga natin, baka meron pa tayo makikita rito. May treasure ba tayo? Nasa Oasis tayo eh. So mukhang wala na. So let's save. Pasok tayo rito. Ken! So, napakita si Nina. It looks like we've been tricked. I've been tricked. Bakit? There was a person who told me that I gave him my money. He would bring me the parts I need. But he just took my money and ran off somewhere. Nascam si Nina. What do I do now? I told Claire that I'd be alright. That I could take care of myself. But looks like what happened. I lost all my money. I can't do anything right. You mean you'll help me to get that price I need? Really? You really mean it? But you got your own problems to worry about. You really help me? Okay, I don't know what to say. Alam mo na kapalit niya, my friend. Thank you very much. Promise I'll help you to get your memory back after we finish our business here. Well, for now, let's see what we can find those parts, okay? Tara. So, punta tayo tavern. So, dito, pasok tayo dito. Ayan. You won't find what you're looking for here. This is Tavern, not A. Oh, you know about that? Well, now, that's a different issue. Buti naman, alam mo. Come this way. Yeah. Thank you very much. You're probably wondering why we go to all of this trouble, aren't you? That's because selling sand flyers is a dangerous business. See, sand flyers were originally designed as a war machines. If the Empire found we're selling them, the next time war breaks out, they come after us. I don't want this place to be under a hex. Like Chamba or Senesta, no thank you. Doesn't mean you don't have any sand flyer parts? Not exactly. There's a place called Sandflyer Valley near here. It's just a junkyard full of old broken down Sandflyers. If you go there and bring back some usable materials, I'll make you for your Sandflyer Sandflyer parts. Deal? Okay then. Right then, we'll go to this Sandflyer Valley and get you the materials you need. So, saan natin makikita yon? So, hindi na alam din. So, Sandflyer Graveyard tayo. I think lalabas na tayo rito eh. Ayun, doon. So, save muna tayo uli. Save. Rest muna tayo. Save tayo. So, it's okay now. Pasok na tayo dito. And Bali. So, nasa Sandflyer Valley tayo eh, no? Patay na natin yan. Blind. Dun, 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 dun. Daya ano na? Ha! At least may eye drops tayo. Meron dun eh. Ito. Pula. So, malakas-lakas to. Initial, ambush pala. Dan, 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 dan. Unahin natin to. Burn! Blind nga natin to. Blind. Burn. Ha! Wala tayong sir, ang Sibir kasi nakay Nina eh. Alright. Dan, dan, dan. Sayang eh. Tingnan natin si Nina. Loko. Grabe, binurn tayo. Kapal ang mukha nun. Loko. Ouch! Ayokong bumaba ng 100 ang buhay. Dun, da, da, dan. Loko. Isa pa. Nice one. Dinadaan tayo sa ramihan ng tao nun eh. Croc Tears. Right. Kunin muna natin yung treasure dito. Daran, 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 daran. Masakit din eh, no? Loko. Tapos, heal natin si Nina. Patay na pala. Berries. Wala. So, dito is item. Heal tayo kay Nina. Kunin mo natin to. Yun, 200 Zenny. Loko. Wala tayo papababa ng 100. Ligtas pa tayo rito. Alright. Loko. Loko, kala mo ha. Binabalik-balik ang pera natin. Parik naman natin sa left. There you go. Tapos tayo balik na rito. Baba. Tayo na natin lahat yan. Loko. Critical hit. Isa pa. Dan. Ha! Nice one. Isa pa. Red zone. Loko. Wala tayong na-learn doon. Tapos dito is use item tayo. Wala tayo pang magic mamaya. Tangangot. Mali! Mali tayo. Ha! Buti nagmintis yun, no? Loko. Kinapos mo si Nina. So wala rito. Dito tayo papasok. Tayo rito. Operate natin to. So, ano mangyayari? Oh, okay. Elevator action. Elevator action din, no? Labas tayo dito. Elevator going up. Tingnan natin baka mayroong treasure dito. May matanda doon eh. Pero tingnan natin dito. Kala ko pwede tayo dumaan doon. So bawal pa. Brass helm. So, babaan tayo rito. Ikot lang natin ito dito. Oy, baba! Anak ng toko naman. So, akit tayo rito. Punta na natin yung matanda. Don't joke, Jed. Many folks out here. Ain't nothing much except for odds and ends. What can I do for ya? I see. Looking for parts, eh? Well then, suppose might able to find what you need here. If you're looking for that, plenty of it here. So, maghuhukay tayo dito. Parang mini-game yata to eh. The parts you're looking for all in the buried in the sands. You're gonna need a shovel to dig them out. If you haven't a scent of a dog that can scent of them out, you might able to find what you're looking for. I loan you a shovel. Okay. And my dog for 25. Okay. Sige. Yan. Sounds ano naman eh. Sounds fair naman para sa 25 BCN eh. Press the shovel to dig the hole where you find standing. However, the shadow will break after it uses a certain number of times. If it's a metal, it will weaken and break more easily, so be careful. Remember, the dog stops it when there's an item or buried. Nope. Asa yung aso ko? Nasa yung aso ko? Putek na buhay yan. Oy, what down? Wasak agad. Natin yung aso. Nope. Saan? Turo mo. Isa doon. So, dito. Kaya ko napapansin yan. Dito, isa. Dito. Dito, dito, saka dito. So, dito isa, dito isa, dito isa. So, dito muna tayo. Dito muna tayo sa isang tinuturo niya to. Same stuff. So, dito yung isa. That's one part. Saka dito. Yan dito. Iyon, no? At least tapos na. Ba kailangan na natin? Isa lang ba talaga yon? Sa pa nga, last try tayo. Both. Tatlo lang tinuro ng aso eh. Isa dito, isa dito. Dito, dito, dito. Dito lang. Dito isa. Glass shard. Saka dito isa. So, yun lang talaga. I think okay na. And we are done. Siguro, i-ano lang natin to. I-call ko muna siya dito. Then, tuloy natin to by Wednesday, mag-upload tayo na panibago ulit. So, ang schedule ng upload nito sa YouTube, guys, is Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday and Thursday, guys, nights between 7 o'clock para merong konting editing na mangyayari. So, ito try natin na mas mahaba to. Nag-dry run pa lang naman tayo ngayon. Yo, nag-level up din si Nina. Rock Tears. So, labas na tayo rito. We got the item na that we need. Aba, gamit ni Nina, no? So, tap muna tayo. So, we're going to call it for first episode ng ating offline serye. So, magre-recording ako within weekends, then uploading ng Wednesday and Thursday. So, before tayo matapos, for our very first episode pa lang naman ito, usually dapat magraran to ng 3 hours. Eh, since nag-ano ako, may inaayos pa ako. So, medyo cutting short lang muna tayo ngayon. So, expect nga, again guys, expect meron tayong upload ng offline serye. So, ito yung mga, games na talagang retro talaga to. Mga literal na retro na to. Yung iba is i-stream pa din. Anyway, so, yun na muna guys. So, again, so, sa mga nanonood dito, thank you very much. Thank you very much sa mga nanonood dito. Then, please do follow Save Room First Productions, guys, sa FB, Twitch, and YouTube. Meron din yan. Yung sa akin naman sa Sarap Gaming Tambayan, guys. FB and YouTube, paki-follow po. Yun nga, even yung Kaji Commander, guys, paki-follow na rin. Sa FB, YouTube, and Twitch na rin. So, search na lang yan, Kaji Commander. So, guys, kita-kits tayo sa next upload natin sa Wednesday nito. So, again, the upload will be every Wednesday and Thursday night. So, for this episode lang naman na ito is, ito yung mangyayari for Thursday ang upload. So, guys, thank you very much. Again, paki-follow ang Save Room Productions, Save Room First Productions, guys, and Kaji Commander, both FB and Twitch, and YouTube. At pati rin ako dito sa Sarap Gaming Tambayan, guys. FB and YouTube, guys. Thank you very much, and babush!